Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 steps to perform data analysis. Yes, these 5 steps are more important, and if you don't know about these 5 steps, then this video is for you. So let's start with our first step, that is defining goal and asking right questions. So to explain these 5 steps, I want to create one scenario so you can better understand these 5 steps. So let's consider I created one here, Bob. Hope you can see it. I guess this. So Bob is senior manager in electronic manufacturer company, and end of the quarter, he found out like one of 20 company sales goes drastically falls down, and he now worried about that, and he quickly called his analytic team and told them like find out what is the reason the sales is going down and down. So the analytics quickly start their work, and first of all they need to define their goal. So the first step will be defining goal and asking right questions. So in this case, Bob told them like we need to find out the reason behind bad sale. So that is their goal, and now they need to define right question. So what is the right question? So let's consider they need to find out reason for the sale. So they can ask questions like what type of data, what type of information we need to perform this analysis and take out the results, right? So what type of data we need to collect, is there fault in manufacturing, or is there problem in sales, or we can say is there any geographic crisis, so that's why the source reasons of bad sale. So these type of questions they come up, and they try to target the problem so that they can go ahead and collect the particular data. So once they finish asking questions and defining their goals and coming right to the point, they come to next step, that is second. I keep the Bob aside. The second step is collecting data. So once they know what type of data they need, what type of questions they have to solve, basis on that they will collect data. So in case just like they ask is there problem in manufacturing, so they might collect quality assurance data to check is there any fault, how many faulty products they found, or the quality measures are they are following good quality measures or not. Or we can say about the sales or marketing, we can say they are using right marketing strategy or not, or those kind of things. They can collect data to check this answer of this type of questions. Is there geographic crisis, is there any inflation, anything like that, they can collect data from third party. So whatever data is collected from company itself is called first party data, and whatever the data is collected from another company or purchased from another company is called second or third party data. Is there a difference between second and third party? But they are kind of similar. So once we finish the second step, collecting our data, we start on third step, that is cleaning our data. So in cleaning process, the data we get is not as we want, right? So we need to clean. Is there in the data there can be errors, empty values, duplicate values, or we can say typos or something like that we don't want in particular data, so we need to slice that data, so and so on. So this type of thing we perform in data cleaning. And there is also we do EDA, exploratory data analysis, to know more about the data. So in this process we understand data, what are the size of our data, what type of columns the data contains, and is there any correlation between columns. So all those things we clean and get information about data in data cleaning. That is our third step. So once we finish third step, we go on fourth step, that is interpreting our data. So Interpreting data is kind of choosing right analytics technique to perform data analysis to take out the results. So in in interpreting data, what we do, we basis on our questions, what type of goal we have or what we need to achieve. Basis on that, we choose the data analysis method. So there are many of data analysis method, just like diagnostic analysis, descriptive analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. So these type of techniques are there to for specific purpose. So we choose right analytic technique for our goal or what we want to take out from our data. So we choose the analytic technique and perform data analysis. If you want to know more about what are these analytic techniques and specifically what they do, so just comment below. I will make another detailed video about that. So once we finish doing our analysis and we get insight from our data, we get our result, we get our reasons why the sales goes down and all those things, we need to share our result. That is our last and fifth step. So let's summarize what we do. So first of all, we define goal, ask right questions, and basis on that we then collect the data, right kind of data. Then once we finish collecting data, we clean the data. Once we clean the data, we can do analysis on that clean data. So we perform analysis. Then our fifth step, that is sharing results. So in sharing results, there are some of the things we need to keep in our mind, like here is Bob and he is manager of 20 companies, so he don't have that much time to go through your reports or whatever you want to tell. He don't have that much time. He just want one look summary so he can understand the problem, key factors, and all those things. So what we can do, so there are many ways to show your results. So like creating reports, building dashboards, building visualizations, and choosing right type of bar chart, line chart, or tree chart, anything. So there are specific type of chart for specific type of data you want to represent. So once you done this, you create a right of type of dashboards, you choose right of a visualizations, you ready to go. So once you build that dashboard, you can share with the Bob, and now he can easily understand the reports and he can take right actions so that that company will be grow in future. All the sales is go up and up in the future. So this type of 5 steps you perform on performing data analysis to systematically take out your result, and this is the way this is the way you do data analysis. So if you don't know about these 5 steps, so this is the video, and if you didn't get it that 5 steps, you can rewatch this video always, and you can also research on web so you can better understand. So I want to say thank you so much guys, because of you I also gain more and more knowledge about these 5 steps. And I want to tell you, I have one goal to reach 500 subscribers. So if you just go down and click on the red subscribe button, it will be very great for me to reach that 500 subscriber goal. So thank you so much guys, love you, and I will see you in next video. Until then, keep gaining knowledge. Bye bye.